So with the Samsung Galaxy S27 series, Samsung is set to bring a new device, the Galaxy S27 Pro, sitting somewhere between the Plus and the Ultra models. And going by the leaks, the Galaxy S27 Pro could not be just a perfect flagship, but even better than the Galaxy S27 Ultra, especially in one of camera key department. So let's roll in. So what makes the Galaxy S27 Pro an interesting device? That it is set to use an ALoP telephoto lens. We will talk about this ALoP tech later, but let's first talk about the camera. So there is said to be a 50 megapixel telephoto with around 3.5x optical zoom, and as per some insiders, could produce better shots than the Ultra in commonly used zoom ranges. So why? Considering the Galaxy S27 Ultra will come with the best camera setup in the lineup, but it is rumored to drop its 3x telephoto lens. That means for these mid-range zoom shots, it will mainly rely on cropping from its 200 megapixel main sensor, in other words, digital zoom. While the S27 Pro will offer a high-quality optical zoom that will be specifically optimized for such a commonly used mid-zoom range. So this should help in portraits and during most of the camera usage. Now, this camera on the S27 Pro is said to be Samsung's revolutionary ALoP telephoto lens, which stands for All Lens on Prism. Let me explain. So, compared to conventional telephoto where the lens is stacked vertically, and so using the bigger size lenses of course going to increase the phone thickness. While in ALoP, lenses are placed horizontally on top of prism, that is parallel to the phone's back panel. So in that way, using the wider lenses won't affect the phone thickness. So the S27 Pro will offer high quality zoom without adding to the phone thickness. Moving on, for the other cameras, for the non-tipster IC universe, the S27 Pro and the top of the line S27 Ultra could share the same new 200 megapixel main sensor along with an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide. So we guess the biggest difference could be zoom lenses, size and features like S Pen. For the other specs, the S27 Pro is said to have around 6.4 to 6.5 inches display and a 5000 mAh battery, which is the same as the bigger size Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this Pro variant is like a mini Ultra, a similar experiment that some other brands are already doing like Vivo X200 Pro Mini. Anyway, I will keep you updated on this interesting device as there are still many details yet to come out. By the way, we already got a look at the Galaxy S26 Fan Edition well ahead of its launch. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.